In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create permission set groups in Salesforce. This is a great skill to have, particularly if you're managing user permissions and want to streamline access controls in your Salesforce environment. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to create and configure these groups to enhance efficiency in distributing permissions across your organization. First, let's navigate to where we need to be. Look to the top right-hand corner of your Salesforce interface. There, you'll find a gear icon. Go ahead and click that. From the drop-down menu, you'll want to select Advanced Setup. This takes you into the heart of Salesforce's administrative tools, providing a range of options for customizing and enhancing your setup. At this point, focus on using the quick find search bar. Type in permission set groups and you'll see it pop up in the results. Once you see it, click on it to move forward. Great job. Now within the permission set group section, you'll see an option to create a new group. Click on the button labeled New Permission Set Group. This is where the organization begins. Next, you'll be prompted to enter a descriptive label for your new permission set group. Think of a name that clearly defines the purpose or the type of users the group will include. It's important to choose a label that makes sense and is easily understandable by others who might be managing these groups in the future. Once you've settled on a label, it's as easy as clicking the Save button. This action creates the skeleton of your permission set group. But we can't stop there. Now that you've created this group, the next step involves populating it with specific permission sets. To do this, locate the permission sets in group section and click on Add Permission Sets. You'll be presented with a list of available permission sets. Here you'll want to select those that are most applicable to the members of this new group. Don't worry if you're not sure which ones to pick. You can always add or remove permission sets later as needs evolve. Once you've made your selections, click Add to include them in your group. Finally, once you've added all the necessary permission sets, click Done. This finalizes the setup, and there you have it. You've successfully created a permission set group in Salesforce, effectively streamlining permission management for users in your organization. This will save you time and reduce complexity as your organization grows. Creating permission set groups helps ensure the right people have the access they need to do their work efficiently and securely. It's an essential tool for any Salesforce administrator looking to manage user permissions systematically and effectively. Thanks for watching, and as always, feel free to check out our other videos for more helpful Salesforce tips and tricks.